You see this little bit of pea stone? So there we go. There's the pipe. Well, that was deep. That was really deep. It happens right at the install. Whoever installed the system, they either didn't know any better or they just took advantage of the homeowner by not digging out a trench, creating a really, really decent channel and filling it full of stone. What they did is they went ahead and they put these surface drains, which, by the way, a surface drain drains the surface water. It doesn't lower your water table. So I have a lot of issues with surface drains. You're not going to find them in my systems. And they allow contaminants into the pipe. People always say, oh, you can clean the pipe out from here. You know what? You shouldn't have to clean the pipe out, period. If it was done right, you shouldn't have to clean it. It should be fully contained. There shouldn't be any surface drains in this system. All this should be is an open French drain. The water comes off the brick paver patio into an open French drain, and then the water's gravity fed to the corner of the lot where everything is draining, and then this patio would have been fine. So you can see this is dirt. This is dirt. You see this little bit of pea stone? So there we go. There's the pipe. Well, that was deep. That was really deep. I got a phone call to the office. Homeowner said that there was a drain put in by a contractor. It wasn't us, and it had floated to the surface of the yard water. And I thought they were crazy. I didn't know what they were talking about. So I'm here, the yard's flooded, and what they put in was the NDS Easy Flow. And it's buoyant because of the styrofoam. I mean, it makes a great life preserver, but it doesn't make a great French drain. All right, so I want to compare the NDS Easy Drain, the peanut pipe, to one of our French drains. Now, did anybody ever really look hard at this to see just how much aggregate there is not? I mean, besides it being a very flimsy pipe that will collapse, and then when drains collapse, they no longer function, they no longer work. But look at, there's no aggregate around this pipe to speak of. I mean, did anybody ever give this a good hard look? There is very little aggregate to move water. Unless you dig a hole, put this in it, and then pile more stone on it, which is kind of defeating the purpose on how they market this product. Now, if this product worked better than a good gravel French drain, we'd be using it. And I think you guys know that. You guys see what we build. You get an idea of what we're doing. They just put a pipe in the ground with a sleeve on it. Look at how the dirt all mixed in with the pea stone. They use the pea stone, which doesn't have very big voids. But another failure. Another example of why you want to wrap your stone and pipe as one, and you don't need a wrap on a pipe. Now, I've had people say, should we wrap the stone and pipe and also just wrap the pipe before we put it in the stone? And it's redundant. You don't need it. The dirt ain't going to get past the first wrap. So don't do it. It's a waste of money. But we run across failed drains every week, and I'm going to start showing you more of them. Pipe with a sleever sock. And I don't like pea stone. It's filthy to begin with. And it doesn't have any voids, real voids. It doesn't move. Volumes of water is the problem.